I'm Ann Hansen. I'm an extension plant pathologist with Virginia Cooperative Extension, and we're out here on the Virginia Tech campus today looking at abiotic problems of trees, or non-living problems of trees, as part of our series on abiotic problems on plants. This tree is one of my favorites to show my students in my plant pathology classes, demonstrating what kinds of problems you can get just from planting things improperly. So this tree, you can see there are a number of stems coming up out of the ground, and you don't see a nice trunk with flare at the soil line like you typically do for trees that are planted at the right depth. This tree is most likely planted much too deeply, and what happens when you do that is that the root system ends up much lower in the soil profile, down at a level where oxygen concentrations are lower. And root cells need oxygen to live, and root cells need to be alive for the root to function in transporting water and nutrients to the leaves. So what we see here is that this tree is gradually dying back. You see a lot of yellowing on the foliage because the leaves are not getting enough nutrients from the roots. And so this is basically a root problem that has been caused by planting this too deeply.